Hello everyone. Are you ready to elevate your equine assisted services to a new level? Imagine blending the therapeutic power of horses with cutting edge speech therapy techniques. Get ready to discover a revolutionary approach that transforms the lives of those with speech and language disorders. So think, do you find traditional speech therapy methods limited in certain settings? Are you searching for innovative ways to enhance your equine assisted services? Do you need help effectively integrating speech therapy into your client sessions? Whether you're a speech pathologist or otherwise, you can still benefit from learning those techniques. So hello, my name is Dr. Beth McCauley, and I am a speech language pathologist in the United States. I'm also an associate professor, and my area of expertise is children and adults with speech and language disorders, and I love incorporating the horse. In fact, over the years, I've helped numerous individuals achieve remarkable breakthroughs in communication skills through equine assisted services. My expertise, over the past 30 years, has been working interprofessionally with other speech language pathologists, with occupational therapists, with physical therapists, with psychologists, with people involved in equine assisted learning and educators to incorporate communication and speech therapy into their practices so that they have better sessions with their clients. So what we will do is identify unique challenges faced by children and adults with communication disorders. We'll talk about how to tailor speech therapy techniques to seamlessly integrate with equine assisted services. We will implement personalized strategies to facilitate meaningful quality of life progress and lasting results. So I'd like to introduce Focus on Speech Therapy and Equine Assisted Services. It will be a transformative workshop that we have designed to optimize the therapeutic potential of equine interventions for individuals with speech and language disorders. This comprehensive method combines the art of equine therapy with evidence-based speech therapy techniques that results in profound transformations and advancements in communicative skills for your clients. This method is holistic, which acknowledges that connection between language development and emotional engagement, and not only combined with the full body sensory motor integration of the movement of the horse and horse related activities. That sets it apart. So by harnessing those inherent benefits of equine assisted services, we create dynamic opportunities for our clients to enhance their speech and language abilities in a natural, supportive, all-encompassing environment. So if you're ready to revolutionize your equine assisted services and unlock the full potential of speech therapy into your practice interprofessionally, take the first step and enroll in our 2-day workshop in Prague, Czech Republic, in June, right before the Heady Conference in June. Come visit me. Let's talk. Let's share. Let's talk about your specific clients. Let's talk about how you can incorporate speech therapy techniques into your practice and elevate your skills and the skills of your clients. I look forward to seeing you there. So get ready to pave the way for experience and excellence. I'll see you there. Bye.